Boogie gonna clean this carpet. He's professional carpenter.
Ała, kurwa.
One day I was getting into the car and I noticed how sad and shitty my floor mats are. Just look at them nasty ass rubber cracking poo stinking dirt munching square ass dirt lovers. So I got angry and I threw them away. But then I was thinking about solutions so everyone can travel with cool and stylish interior. And I seen this random Lada with these amazing floor mats, so I thought, let's do it for the sake of style. Get yours now on sleazy.pl. I came back to the garage. Mr. Ziki did something with the car.
This classic car.
Damn, it's such a classic, man. You know what is actually funny? It's looking good. I think it's gonna look the same as when he firstly bought it. No, because there was no bacon.
There was no door cars, there was no back seats, there was never this thing under the steering wheel. There was, Mr. Bugala, what a beautiful classic car. Please join us in classic car group.
Classic car group. Mr. Bugawa, here is your yellow plates for this classic car.
I see one problem.
Oh, it's not closing.
It's closing, but it's bending this.
More cutting, you mean?
You can name it.
You can name it as you want. And Mr. Adam Steel One is putting engine together.
A, muszę więcej clearance, daj mi konturę. Jaki sos?
Jaki? Miszany.
Musztardka, patrz. O tak, o tak.
So good.
Tak.
Okay. Boogie, what are you cutting? You are doing clearance, yes? Aso one?
Kurwa, zasłaniasz mi.
O.
Pressure. Something is blocking it.
Yes?
I think.
How do you know? Oh. It's still hanging here.
Yeah, because I took it off. Okay. Like my dick. O kurwa.
To miało być zamontowane.
No.
So right now Boogie is installing the LEDs, like underglow for the feet. We'll see if it's gonna work, because it's gonna work.
I don't know. This is LED. Every LED is not working for me. I tried to put some LEDs few times on my car. Never fucking worked.
We'll see about the end result. Durum dum dum. Dum durururum. Durum. And these two you can mount on the back, on the seat, like that.
Yeah.
And they're gonna glow. So all car gonna glow. That's gonna look sick too. Because you see.
Sick 2. That's the sequel of Sick 1.
Yes.
Sick 2.
Sick too. And look at slippery topic floor mats. Jesus Christ, they are balling.
I'm injecting the seat belt. Seats. See ya.
Dla widza, patrzcie jaki kurwa. Durum dum dum. Dum durururum. Durum. Dance on my balls, hasta vida bende. Okay, so seat is mounted properly, of course, with two bolts and...
Ej, to jest do muzyki, stary. To jest do muzyki.
That is
Ja pierdolę.
music activated. Puszczam jakieś techno.
No.
What is going on?
We're going home.
Okay, but what is done with the car? You happy?
You're done.
You done?
Okay, I will show you now.
There is even Mieszek.
Mieszko.
Mieszko.
Living.
The interior is almost done. We just need to relocate the LEDs here, so you cannot see them really.
We have to put under ceiling and side plastics.
Side plastics.
I also mounted the masks here.
The masks.
You see masks?
Nice masks.
I mounted masks. There is no really floor on the back of the
There is no really floor. No floor. Yeah, we're gonna sort this out later. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.
Hello, my friends. I'm Błażej. Hello, I'm Błażej.
Where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
What company?
Fish Pound, Rybnik, company Odessa CNC.
Okay, and why are you here today?
We're gonna mount angle kit for E36 for boogie.
So yeah, Błażej came to our garage today to do complete angle kit in my BMW. So you can check out his website. It's odessacnc.pl. Okay, so as always, there's some issues. Now, Błażej destroyed my whole f***ing car.
This one is fucked, yeah? This one is even more fucked.
And I'm the most fucked.
Yeah. Kurwa, placiska.
Stop. I don't know if I'm drunk.
What?
I need to go to the petrol station to get some food, and I'm thinking, am I drunk?
Am I drunk?
To napisie będziesz miał pewniaczka.
You can drink this and you will know.
Na pewno.
Teraz przynajmniej masz pewność, że nie jedziesz.
So you are not drunk.
Ale chujnia.
Zasmakowało.
O!
A gdzie moje piwo?
A!
Musiał wódkę przepić. Piwo.
Pojedziesz ze mną, to pojedziemy.
Ale siadło szybko.
Super to idzie, wiesz?
Ale ten kabel jest między zaciskiem, trzeba go tu wykręcić.
Jak nie no, utnij go. No zapać palucha, bo ci ujebie. To z 20 kilo. A teraz się w ogóle tu zjebał.
No ale że się odpierdolił, kurwa.
Chcesz też zaryzykować?
Trzymaj drugą.
Nie.
O kurwa.
O ja pierdolę.
Overlifter.
To ty powiedziałeś nie, że co, że ja tego nie podniosę?
Coś ty powiedział, że jego matka jest rubo?
Ja tego nawet nie poczułem.
Kurwa!
Dawaj tak czuj. Wiązka z motorem. No jest kurwa nie teraz. No i możemy teraz przejść do rzeczy poważnych. Mamy dwie opcje. Albo odkręcić. Tak, ja tu mam imbusa. Albo odkręcimy tamte jarzmo i podmienimy jarzma. Albo. Dawaj.
Bóg już kurwa ma jarzmo wymienione. My.
A czekaj, czy to jarzmo moje są pierdolone? Czy? Pewnie, że
Co ty gadasz? Jest pewnie to jarzmo.